Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this series, we will be learning about Dart language and how to use each major feature from variables to classes. To make it easier to start, I will be using the official Dartpad website to run and show you the code for each episode. This way, you can try it yourself right in the browser without any setup. Later on, I will show you how to install Dart on your system so you can write and run your programs locally. Also, you can find the code for each episode in the description. Let's get familiar with Dartpad quickly. Open the link from the description. There, you will see three sections. On the left side, we have the code panel, where we will write our Dart code. On the top right is the output panel, where you will see the output from our program. Lastly, in the bottom right is the info panel, where you can see additional help context when it is available. To run your Dart program, you just need to hit the Run button. It is also important to pay attention to the Dart version that is currently used to run your examples. You can check it in the lower right corner of the window. At the time of recording those series, the most recent version is 2.6. If you enjoyed the series, or you want to support the channel, please subscribe from the button below the video and hit the like button. Let's get started.